What's up, everybody? Today's trade was similar to Friday, pretty similar. Um, because again we got wicked out a little bit by like 2 or 3 points, but it's whatever. Trade was still pretty good, just got wicked out. Anyway, here's what happened. I took a short today. I switched up my bias kind of like mid session going into the day. I thought we were bullish because we acted off this fair value gap, right? And we didn't like really sweeping liquidity, didn't sweep this, didn't sweep that. But then I went into the 1 hour. I saw that we were consolidating, majorly consolidating, and then also on the daily time frame, we were in a huge imbalance, which we already acted upon that. So I was like, yeah, well, we'll see. But since it's so big, I guess I was just concerned on taking a trade. Um, But going into the 5 minutes, as soon as market opened, we had some pretty big candles to the downside. We swept the lows, and I was like, okay, perfect. This is a great sign that we are gonna go up. And I actually was like starting to talk myself out of a bearish bias because we did sweep the lows, and it's like, okay, we're gonna go up then. So obviously, thankfully I didn't do that, and I tried to take a trade off this inverse fair value gap right here. Not this. Actually, yeah, it was that. Yeah. Inverse fair value gap right here. That's what I tried to take it off of. Why is all this here? Yeah, inverse fair value gap right here. There to there, inverse fair value gap. No, not from here to here. What the heck is this, dude? This inverse fair value gap. Man, oh man. So, what happened was came up here inverse fair value gap, didn't quite do it on this candle. Then this one, we wicked all the way up in there, waited for, I think, a fair value gap. Yes, I waited for a bearish fair value gap to get hit in here. That was my final confluence. That got hit, entered in. Yeah, see, look right there. That was a fair value gap within right there. Hit it on this wick right here. So got in right there. And then what happened was we're floating in some profit a little bit here. And then came up here, we got wicked out. And I mean, I guess looking back on this, same sort of thing on Friday, which is unfortunate, but stop loss probably should have been above the highs. Probably should have been above the highs. But again, dude, this risk to reward's killing me. And I already was generous off this. I had it here, and it really should have been like here, you know? Like I already was generous with this. But yeah, what is this? Yeah, I guess it's like what, 2 ticks, like 2 ticks. But so that's unfortunate. But the rest of the trade was pretty good. I mean it wasn't hit take profit, but just got wicked out. So I think going into tomorrow, we can definitely have a stronger bias. Focus on that a little bit more, and then I think that will convince myself to take a little bit better of a trade because I'm just getting a little confused on my bias, to be honest. And once we get that sorted out, things will be a little bit better. I probably can trade and record it tomorrow since I'm going to be trading at my house. So, yeah, see you guys on Tuesday tomorrow.